So there was one such person doing his Shiva Puja, fasting every Monday, and going to the mandir and offering Bilva Patra and Dahi and Kunkum and rice and doing puja and Shiva Stotram and so many things. And he was begging Lord Shiva. He wanted power. I want power. I want to control the world. I want to be the biggest, most powerful demon in the whole world. I want so much power that if I just touch somebody with my finger, they will die, they will crack in half. Just by touching them with my finger, their head will crack and fall off their head. This power I want. So who was that? So he was very religiously. Every Monday he fasted. Just like you meet people. Oh, would you like some prasadam? Oh no, it's Monday, I'm fasting. I'm fasting for Lord Shiva. You're not fasting for Lord Shiva. You're fasting for your sense gratification. You're fasting on Monday not for Lord Shiva, not to please Lord Shiva, but to please yourself. Because you want sense gratification, you want benefit, you want money, you want power. So this person was the same way. And he was taking advantage of the soft side of Lord Shiva. Lord Shiva is known as Bolare Baba, or he's known as Ashutosh. He's very easily satisfied. So, oh good, he's easily satisfied. Just a little Bilva Patra, a little puja, little fasting, and I'll get wealth, riches, power. Yes, I need these things, I want these things. Oh Shiva, please. So people go, every Monday, they go and they beg for these things. So much, then they go to Kedarnath and they so much tapasya, all for selfish reasons, all because of Kam and Krodh, lust and greed, lobe, Kam and lobe, lust and greed.